Hello students, in our last video we discussed what are phase transfer catalysts, its definition, its mechanism, its types and its advantages. Today we are looking at applications of phase transfer catalysts in organic synthesis. Let's start. PTC used in various types of organic synthesis due to its advantages over conventional procedures. Students, I already explained why PTC is good over conventional procedures. Now we are looking at some chemical reactions of organic synthesis. First reaction is the reaction of alkyl halide with KF, potassium fluoride. We take 1-chlorooctane and potassium fluoride in the presence of phase transfer catalysts. We already studied about types of phase transfer catalysts like alicate, like tetrabutyl ammonium chloride or bromide, and TEBA, etc. And then we take PTC reaction proceed in the presence of phase transfer catalyst, and we formed 1-fluorooctane. 77% production is obtained. The above procedure is far superior to the conventional methods. Next chemical reaction is formation of dichlorocarbons. Dichlorocarbons in the presence of base C, students, like this base abstract proton and 2 electrons, or electron pair leaves here like this. And now Cl is good leaving group and leave bonds and form dichlorocarbene. Overall reaction is cyclohexene chloroform in the presence of base. Base is used for formation of dichlorocarbene, and then dichlorocarbene react with cyclohexene. And students, this is the product. Only 0.5% product yield is obtained. Okay students, but in the presence of phase transfer catalysts, production is obtained 60 to 70%. Next chemical reaction is C-alkylation. Normally, C-alkylation involves the use of expensive condensing agents like sodamide, metal hydrides, potassium tertiary butoxides, etc., and involves the use of anhydrous organic solvents. Due to high selectivity of phase transfer catalysts, it is used for synthesis of monoalkyl derivatives of nitriles. Students, see the reaction C6H5CH2Cn plus C2H5Cl, ethyl chloride, and the presence of base. We take PTC here. PTC full form is, this is C6H5CHCN C2H5, and its name, this is the PTC. We take PTC, its name is triethyl benzyl triethyl ammonium chloride. Students, I am repeating, benzyl triethyl ammonium chloride. It's in short form we used in generally in reaction TEBA. Okay students, and we produced production in 90% yield, give 90% yield. Okay students, the C-alkyl derivatives of activative nitriles are useful intermediates for the manufacture of various pharmaceuticals companies and are commonly used in industries. Similarly, N-benzoyl 1,2-dihydroisoquinaldehyde can be alkylated in the presence of aqueous base NaOH and PTC. We obtained product with excellent yield. Alkaline hydrolysis of the alkylated product gives isoquinoline derivatives, which are starting materials for the synthesis of alkaloids. Now see the next reaction, N-alkylations of aziridines. Students, aziridines cannot easily N-alkylated using conventional or old methods or chemical conditions due to rapid ring opening. Okay students, but how alkylation of aziridine can be achieved using PTC conditions in high production as a high production yield. Aziridine alkylated in the presence of base and in the presence of PTC and alkylated normally with high yield. Next chemical reaction, Williamson ether synthesis. Students, Williamson ether synthesis is the production with alcohol and alcohol in the presence of base. Phase transfer catalyst technique provides a simple method for conducting Williamson ether synthesis. Actually Williamson synthesis use in excess alcohol or alkyl halides with lower temperature and larger alcohols. Larger alcohols about C8 carbon number 8, 9 or forward. Okay students, give high yields of ether. See students, this is high number of alcohols and high number of alkyl halides in the presence of base, and we take temperature normally 141 degree centigrade to 131 degree centigrade, and and production is obtained is here. Okay students, ether is formed, but when we use PTC, give high production, almost 80 to 90% yield. Next chemical reaction of synthesis of coumarins. Coumarins are used as optical brighteners and obtained in low yield, low production using anhydrous conditions. But students, using phase transfer catalyst in the presence of aqueous K2CO3 potassium carbonate, excellent yield is obtained. See the chemical reactions, we take orthohydroxycarbonyl compounds and react with phenyl acetyl chloride. Okay students, phenyl acetyl chloride and take hydroxycarbonyl compounds, react with phenyl acetyl chloride, and we take this PTC phase transfer catalyst. Its name is tetrabutyl ammonium salts. We take tetrabutyl ammonium salts and in the presence of aqueous potassium carbonate, and production is obtained 4,6-dimethyl 3-phenyl coumarin with 96% yield. Now students, see the flavones, formation or synthesis of flavones. Flavones are students important class of natural products. Actually flavones are 3 carbon chain like this. And double bond between C carbon 2 and carbon 3, and this is the chain, other chain. This is OH or R is equal to, मतलब R जो होगा OH or O, and here is other carbon chain C6H5. Okay student, this is flavones. Flavonols means here O replaced by OH, then it is called flavonols. Okay students, these flavones are important class of natural products. They were synthesized in low yield by conventional methods, but give excellent yields obtained by the reaction of an appropriate orthohydroxy acetophenone with benzoyl chloride in benzene solution with a phase transfer catalyst in the presence of NaOH or Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. Students, we take orthohydroxy acetophenone and with benzoyl chloride. This is benzoyl chloride, this is orthohydroxy acetophenone, and we take PTC tetrabutyl ammonium salts and in the presence of potassium carbonate, aqueous potassium carbonate. Okay students, after this reaction with PTCSA means para-toluene sulfonic acid. Students, para-toluene sulfonic acid is, this is, sorry students, CH 3, and here is S sulfonic acid, double bond O, and here OH, and here is this is para toluene sulfonic acid. If we take para toluene sulfonic acid, and production is flavones with excellent yield. Okay student, this is flavones. We already explained its structure starting. Students, these were some chemical reactions examples of organic synthesis with phase transfer catalysts. In our next video, we will discuss crown ethers which are used as phase transfer catalysts. Thank you students.